Hi, this is Dr. Will with another how-to video, and I've decided now it's time to change these lovely kitchen cupboards, and I'm going to change them to a nice bright red colour, and it's a low-cost option. I hope it's going to work. I'm going to use a Ronseal one coat kitchen cupboard paint, and firstly I'm going to remove the cupboards, going to sand them down, wash them, use a bit of white spirit, and I'm going to take you through the whole process. Right, all the cupboard drawers have now been sanded down with 180 grit sandpaper. Now I need to use some white spirits on them to take off any excess dirt. Right, that's most of the prep done now. These have all been cleaned with white spirit. So now the exciting part starts, and that is with the paint. We're going to see whether this Ronseal one coat does exactly what it says on the tin. It spreads quite well. Nice gloss. Quite pleased. Just to show you that lovely finish, lovely gloss finish on this first door. Well, as you can hear, it's pouring with rain still, but I think we're going to be okay. I've moved the things around so they can dry, and I just want to get this job done now. Door number 2. Okay, so this is one day later. As you can see, the outsides have dried, so I've just got to do the internal sides. Only about 10 doors to do, and then these need to dry, and then we can put them to the kitchen. But, they are still slightly tacky, but they're dry enough to turn on and rest on their side, so I can paint the opposite side. And that is pretty much it for this stage. All the cupboard doors are painted red now, so I've decided to give it a bit more extra contrast. I'm actually going to paint the sides in gloss white. It's also Ronseal one coat. The coverage has been really good so far. In fact, one small tin has painted all of the cupboards. However, I have prepped very well, and I've sanded down, I've washed, and I've used white spirit. For this, I've just used white spirit and I've not sanded it down because there's not too much to paint, and I'm going to see how that goes. Okay, this is Dr. Will again, 2 days later, and finally we have finished the project. It's been a long project, as you can see. I will take you on a tour in a minute, but we got a lovely new kitchen at a fraction of the cost. As I say, there's a lot of preparation, but to be honest, you'll save yourself a fortune. I think the cupboards have got a lovely, shiny, glossy feel, and we really do feel that we've got a new kitchen. As I say, happy wife, happy life. My wife thinks she's got a new kitchen, so it's a win-win situation. The coverage of the Ronseal red paint is fantastic. I've still got some left over. As you'll see, I've painted the sides of the cupboards, I've painted the inside, the outside, and that's all gone very, very well. I decided to do some white gloss for the sides of the cupboards. That wasn't quite so successful because it needed a couple of coats, but failing that, it's all good. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe. I have a number of other videos. I've recently done one for how to paint wooden floors white, and that's also with Ronseal, so that went very well. You can click on the link on this video, but thank you for sharing this time. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm going to take you on a little tour now.